Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Sandra Soriano, 40 years old from Philippines. I am happily married with two kids, one boy and one girl, aged 10 years old and 11 years old. I am a college undergraduate, Bachelor of Elementary and Secondary Education. I work as a helper in Philippines for 2 years with one couple, one kid, aged 2 years old. I also work as a domestic helper here in Hong Kong for 4 years and 8 months with one couple, one daughter, age 14 years old, one grandma, age 83 years old, and I take care one pet dog. As of now, I'm here in Hong Kong, work for 1 year and 6 months with one couple, one son, age 3 years old. I am a very kind and hardworking and trustworthy person. I love taking care of kids and also I love cooking. To my future employer, please do hire me and I will do my best to do my duties and responsibilities as a helper. Thank you very much, mom and sir. Have a good day. Thank you.